Hi, how are you? How's isolation going? Guess you're looking outside your window and all the things you could be doing. But nevertheless, we have two lessons today, lessons 8 and 9. So you've done the right thing. You've gone to and done your mark your attendance, and you're here on the forum for instructions for 7.0. But just a quick reminder, there's lesson 2, that one there, please. Make sure you click, and I will be monitoring lateness. We still have 3 students who haven't done their work habits. And if you didn't do your chapter 3.1 revision, could you send it to me by email? Because I think it's closed at this point in time. So today we're going across to lesson 7. Uh, which is on acids and base. Now remember, we've done the experiment already, so you should be very familiar with this section of work. But however, we have the basic steps. Remember, now there's quite a few files here. So we're going to do the Word document. That's your PowerPoint for this section of work. And then there's another PowerPoint that you have to watch. So first, let's go to that. And we have the standard 5 steps. Remember, this is what you'll summarize what you have learned. Is you've got your pre-questions. We're looking at slides 4 and 5. Watch the videos. And then we have some very simple questions, multiple choice for a change. So that shouldn't be too hard. Maybe just use a highlighter or something like that, your choice. Don't forget to save to your Google Drive. Once you've completed that, your next task is to complete the PowerPoint acid-base slide. So that's this one here. And you'll just go through the slides. There may be some interactivity there, so just follow the advice. So you'll need to enable the content and then oh, okay, so you'll know you'll start that one. All right, once you've finished that, we need one more task, and that is the pH scale revision. And it's a Word document, and okay, I suppose what you can do this is do this for homework. Print it out and use coloring pencils. Remember the universal chart. That's the basic way of looking at it. And then, of course, we then move back to our class page. We move on to lesson 8. Now, we've looked at how acids reacted with metal. Remember, they produce hydrogen gas. We looked at acids and bases. We create neutralization. And now we're going to look at acids and carbonates. And for this, again, you have the lesson, which at the moment you can see is faded, but that should become available later on. Remember, there's a PowerPoint you're watching, and we've got that acids and base, but you're only going to page slides 17 and 18. You've got your 2 videos, or actually 3 videos to watch. So remember, it's in this one. I'll open it because I can. Remember, it's a 5-step. So again, what we're doing is pre-video, carefully read through. We're doing slides 6 and 7 from the PowerPoint and slides 17, 18 from the second one. Watch the videos and then answer that question there. And that should take you through to the double. And yes, have a good day. Any questions, please email or send a forum note.